Hi, here's the problem. You create an awesome app ready to be deployed to the cloud, but you need an environment that is scalable without losing control of your budget. How big should your server be? 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes? What if you're wrong? It's expensive to pay for resources you do not need, but it's also expensive if resource shortage causes downtime. APIQCloud scales for you automatically. You don't need to guess how big the server should be, and with APIQCloud you only pay for resources you actually use. Sure, some other virtual servers will let you resize, but you have to log in and do it manually. Who has that time now? Further, you don't want to be interrupted at all hours of the day and night just because your server ran out of resource? What a waste. With APIQCloud, you have your environment set up and running in seconds. Simply set the resource scaling according to your budget. If your resource usage is lower, you automatically pay less. APIQCloud charges you only for your usage, and it can save you even more money. Here's how, once your app is deployed, you can view a real-time resource graph right at your dashboard. When you know your typical resource needs, you can set a minimum resource level and get a substantial discount. You still benefit from automatic scaling about that to whatever maximum scaling limit you decide. And as your app gets popularity, your resource usage increases. APIQCloud automatically applies an extra volume discount to keep your costs down. Want to pay a fixed price? No problem. Just set the maximum and minimum resource limits to the same value. To disable automatic scaling, you can start and stop your environment anytime. Whenever you stop an environment, you only pay for this storage, nothing else. Making APIQCloud the perfect home for your development projects and client demos too. Stop paying for resources allocated. Move your app to APIQCloud and only pay for resource usage.